made you?
I was created by Google.
Okay. So how to use you?
You can use me in a few ways. You can ask me questions.
Yesterday I made a video and uploaded on YouTube. After that I received so many messages from your side like, ma'am, which application are you using, and this is AI application, is it free or not, okay, what is the name of this application, because that video was not clear that I uploaded on YouTube, and there is some voice issue. So when I received so many messages from your side, so I thought, why not create a video on this particular application, because this is the demanding video. So that's why again in this video I'm going to share with you how to use this AI application free and cost. Yes, this is free and cost application. You don't need to give money for this application. And yes, you can talk to AI, you can talk with artificial intelligence. There is no any human conversation. You can do conversation with AI. And yes, there is no any hesitation. I know there are so many people, they are thinking like, okay, my English is not good. What if I will speak in English? So people will laugh at my English, people will mock of my English. So yes, there is a hesitation, and because of this hesitation, most of the people are not, feel comfortable to talk to a real person. But if you talk with AI, so there is no any judgment. I mean to say, there is no human who will laugh you, who will mock of your English. Okay, there is AI. You can use this application according to your level. Ask any question, it will always with you, believe me. Whatever your time you are choosing for practice in English, there is always live with you. So yes, this is free and cost application. You don't need to go anywhere for this application. You don't need to give money for downloading this application. This is free and cost application. Now I'm going to show you deep knowledge about this application. Actually, 2 days ago when I was scrolling my mobile, so suddenly I found a video, because I generally made a video on conversation, how to do practice in English, how to do conversation with yourself, free application or human application. So yes, I generally made a video on this particular topic. So when I found that video, so I just watched that video very not deeply. So yes, I made a video on that particular application, but when I received so many messages, so I thought, okay, people are interested on this application, so why not watch and that video again, and so that I can give you a deep knowledge about this free AI application. Okay, so that's why again here I'm going to show you how to use this application and how to improve our English speaking skill. Okay, so are you ready? Now you should go to the Play Store and write there Gemini, Gemini, Gemini. Okay, yes, here I'm open this. This is the logo of this application, Google Gemini. Actually, I have already downloaded this application. So now I'm going to open this application in front of you. Yes, this is the home page. Hello Rita, and you can see in the bottom of this screen there is two thing like live and recording. When I touch live, you can see this feature will appear in front of your mobile, and I just write no thanks, and again I'm going to show you when I touch live section. Yes, I when I touch OK,
Did
then
you have any
it will
plans for the day?
live. You can see
Nothing
this is the
special.
thing. Okay.
Sounds like a relaxed day ahead. Do you have any hobbies you might want to spend some time on?
Yeah, I have more hobbies in my mind, but today I'm not feeling good.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Sometimes we all have those days. Do you want to talk about it or would you prefer to think about something else?
Okay, please give me short answer. I do think you should have like a your Android phone and internet access. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use this application and how to improve our English speaking skill. Okay, so for this you need to go to the Play Store. Now I'm going to Play Store, and yes, I'm going to write Google Gemini. Okay, this is the name of this app, AI application. You should write only Gemini, it will open. Okay, so Gemini, Gemini, Gemini. Okay, so when I write Gemini, you can see this is the logo of this application, and yes, install. You should install this application on your Android phone. I have already downloaded this application on my Android phone. So now I'm going to just open this application. When I open this application, so you can see the interface of this application. Okay, and it will open. You can see I'm going to live. It will open, and there is the option like cut and then yes hold. Okay, now I'm going to ask some question. Hello AI.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
Mm, Actually, I want to do some conversation with you because I feel very bored today.
I understand. I'm here to chat if you need someone to talk to. What's on your mind?
Nothing special. I just try to do conversation because my English is not good. So I thought, why not do some 3 or 4 sentence, conversation video. So that's why I'm using you.
Okay, I understand. You want to practice your English with me. I'm happy to help with that. What would you like to talk about? We could start with your day or something you're interested in.
Okay, first give me short answer because I feel very bored.
Let's start with something simple. What's your favorite hobby?
Okay, my favorite hobby is learning new skill.
That's interesting.
I just
What
want to
kind of
ask
skill?
you 3 or 4 question. Can I ask you?
Of course. Feel free to ask me anything you'd like.
Who made you?
I was created by Google.
Okay, so how to use you?
You can use me in a few ways. You can ask me questions.
Okay, actually, I feel very bored. So let's play role playing game.
Sure, I'm up for it. What kind of role playing game do you have in mind?
Think about I or you. We are just forget our ways, and we have to go our house, but it was night time. Think about and we forget our ways. So how to find because we are in a forest and we have no any map and no any phones, so we forget our way. So how to handle this situation?
Okay, I understand. We're lost in the forest at night, without a map or phones. That's a tricky situation. Let's think this through. First, we need to stay calm and not panic. Panicking will just make things worse. Do you want me to come up with a plan?
Yeah, why not? Because I want to play with you role play. So yes, I'm with you.
Okay, so first things first, let's try to find a source of water. We'll need it to survive. Do you see any signs of a stream or river nearby?
Okay, actually, it is night time, so I feel very scared because everywhere I feel like there is someone who is steering me the any wild animals. So that's why I don't want to go anywhere. I just want to stay one place.
Okay, I understand. It's natural to feel scared in this situation. But staying in one place might not be the best idea. We need to find a safe spot to spend the night, preferably somewhere with shelter and protection from the elements. Do you see any caves or large trees nearby that could provide some cover?
Yeah, there is a big tree, so we can stay under this tree. And do you know how to climb a tree?
Yes, I do. But climbing a tree at night could be dangerous, especially if we're not familiar with it. It might be safer to stay on the ground and find a way to make ourselves less visible to any potential dangers. How about we gather some branches and leaves to create a makeshift shelter?
Yeah, that's a good idea. We should, collect some branches and leaves and lit a fire.
Great idea. Collecting branches and leaves for shelter is a good way to stay safe and warm. However, lighting a fire in a forest can be risky. Let's start by thinking about what we need to do first. Do you want to try and find shelter or look for a way out of the forest?
Yeah, I know, proper place. We should go there and remain safe. This is the first thing that we should do.
Okay, that sounds like a good plan. Lead the way.
Okay, now after that, what should we do?
Well, since you know the place, let's head there first. Once we arrive, we can figure out our next steps.
Okay, after that, okay, suppose that we reach that place, and after that, what should we do?
Got it. So we've arrived at this place, and now we need to figure out what to do next. Let's start by looking around. Do you see any signs of shelter, like a cave or an abandoned building?
Okay, I'm seeing like there is a bucket and a rope tied with bucket. And yes, there is only one thing I found. I thought there is a well.
Absolutely. A bucket and rope are perfect for getting water from a well. Do you want me to help you figure out how to use them safely?
Okay, first we need to drink water, because it's a long time and we forget our way. So I'm feeling thirsty, so first we should pull out some water from the bell.
Okay, that makes sense. You're feeling thirsty after a long time of being lost. Getting some water from the well sounds like a good idea. Do you want to try and lower the bucket into the well?
Yeah, I know how to pull water from the well. And because we have already bucket and rope, so um I fell bucket into the water, and then I you know pulled a bucket, and in this way we can easily you know remove our thirsty.
Exactly. Once you've got the water, you can quench your thirst and start thinking about what to do next. Do you want to try and find a way out of the forest, or would you rather stay put for the night?
I just want to say, okay, we should stay one place, because we don't know what is the our ways. So I think that's a good idea. We should stay one place, and in a forest. So there are so many wild animals. So I feel very scared. So we should stay one place. Is it good or not?
Staying in one place could be a good idea, especially if you're feeling scared. It might be safer than wandering around in the dark. We could build a shelter and try to make a fire to keep warm and scare away any animals. What do you think?
Yeah, that's a good idea. But how to make a fire? We have not any matchsticks.
You're right, we don't have any matchsticks. We could try rubbing two sticks together, but that takes a lot of practice. Maybe we could look for some dry grass or leaves to use as tinder. That might make it easier to start a fire.
So can you lit a fire?
If you have the necessary materials, I can guide you through the process of safely lighting a fire.
Okay, it is a jungle, it is a forest. To how to lit a fire, because we have only some branches, some leaves, and some pebbles, some stones. So how to lit a fire?
I see. You can try using the flint and steel method. If you have any rocks like flint or quartz, strike them together to create sparks. Aim those sparks at dry materials like leaves or bark to ignite a flame. It might take a few tries, so be patient.
Okay, okay, okay. Let's try. Now I'm going to rub some pebbles. Okay. Okay, that's great. Okay, there is a fire.
Great job. Now that you have a fire, you can stay warm and cook any food you might find. You can also use the smoke to signal for help if anyone is nearby.
Yeah, that's a good idea. After fire, you can see there is a smoke everywhere. Okay, let's see someone, if someone see the smoke. So yes, and let's see who will come to and help us.
Yeah, that's a great idea. The smoke from the fire could definitely catch someone's attention. Let's hope someone sees it and comes to help us out.
Oh, I'm seeing that in front of us. Someone is coming. There are 3 or 4 person are coming.
That's great news. It looks like your signal fire worked. Let's hope they're friendly and can help us get out of here.
Okay, these are some blazers. Now, we can go to the blaze, and yes, these blazers, they are coming and they help us. And thank you so much for this, role playing.
You're very welcome. I'm glad you enjoyed it. If you'd like to play again sometime, just let me know.
Thank you so much. Now I'm going to leave this conversation. Okay, bye bye.
Goodbye. It was nice chatting with you.
Yeah, it was nice chatting with you. And
I'm glad you enjoyed the role playing. It sounds like you had a lot of fun with it. Perhaps we could try another one sometime if you'd like.
yeah, okay, bye bye.
Goodbye. Have a great day.
Bye bye. Okay, after that you can cut the call. And yes, this is the great application, believe me. And yes, you can use this application. This is free and cost. This AI will talk to you, believe me, free and cost. It will help you to enhance your fluency. It will give you power. It will remove your boring time. If you are feeling okay, there is no one with whom we can talk, and we can do fun. Yeah, yes, this application will help you not only improve your English, but also it will give you your company. Okay, so that's all about this application, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, I will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.